Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today pretty much to show you some different designs that I have done using these wood beads from the Dollar Tree. This is what they look like. And for those of you who go in the Dollar Tree, they have a section. And I saw these in there, and I just decided to grab them. They do have some pings and pongs in them. You really have to look through them to pick and choose which ones don't have pings and pongs, okay? But I just wanted to, the one thing that I do love about these is that I love the shape. They're like pretty much like an oval wood burrow shape. And so these colors, I was like, the blues, the purples, the greens, the red, the yellows, all of these are really pretty. So I'm going to come to you all to show y'all 5 pair of earrings that I have created using these here beads, okay? Just to give y'all some ideas. And I'm gonna tell you something, just because you get it from the Dollar Tree doesn't necessarily mean that it has to look chic because you got it from the Dollar Tree. There are many different ways that you can get these beads, any type of beads from the Dollar Tree, and dress them up and make them look really, really nice, okay? So I'm gonna show you the very first pair, and these were shown to you all in a video that I showed y'all. These were the ones that I showed y'all at the end because I created these using buttons, okay? If y'all have not seen that video, please go over and check that video out. I will make sure that I leave that video link somewhere in the description box for you all to go over and check it out. But this was the first pair, and these are post earrings, okay? And the posts that I'm using on the back, see, that's what they look like, okay? So that's the first pair, and that's the first actual design. The second design that I'm gonna show y'all, I choose to use some cowrie shells. So this is the second design here that I did. Now, what you can do is you will have to incorporate other beads as well along with these. These are gorgeous, okay? These have a really nice length to them for those of you who like long earrings. And I just decided to do some spirals and put some spirals down the bottom, put the cowrie shells up at the top, and bam, you got yourself an awesome, awesome earring. This earring does not look cheap, and that's what I mean, okay? That's what I mean when I say you can get your beads from the Dollar Tree, but it does not necessarily mean that your jewelry has to look cheap, okay? This is the next pair that I decided to make. And that's these right here. And these are post earrings as well. Now these earrings, I'm going to be putting some fish hooks on these. Probably some brass wire fish hooks on these just to go along with the contour of the actual earring itself, okay? And then these, like I said, these are posts, and these posts are stainless steel posts that you can order from Amazon.com. I love the size of these, okay? And the backs, they come like this. The backs come like this. That's what the back look like. And you just take them, take the back, put it on like this. And what I love about these earrings too is that they are very, very lightweight. Okay, they're very, very lightweight. Different type of design. None of the designs are the same. I had some stash where these are, I believe, some 6mm wood beads, and I just incorporated the wood beads along with the oval beads and used some aluminum wire to really bring out those earrings, okay? So this is another design. Any one of these designs that y'all see that you want me to create or make, please let me know. So this would be design number 3. Just let me know whether or not if one of these designs that y'all want me to show y'all how to create. Okay, so my next one is design number 4, and that would be these right here. Okay, that's what these look like. I decided to use the cowrie shell once again for this. Okay, something different, whole different look. Okay, I will probably be putting some brass wire fishhooks on these to go with everything that I've already created. And I just added my own little beads in there just to give the earring a good look, okay? And my last design that I'm going to show you all, I really did something completely different. Now, the design itself is totally different, but here it is. This is what it looks like. I will not be able to make this design for you. I mean, I can make this design for you all, but I don't have any more brown beads. So I would have to incorporate another type of round brown bead in there, but the look of it will change. But this is pretty much what I did for this earring. This earring, I put the cowrie shells down in the middle, right here, and these are going to come with probably some brass wire, or I could do some sterling silver fish hooks on these as well. I would just have to add another piece of wire to them, a jump ring. I would have to add a jump ring to these, okay? And I could do the sterling silver fish hooks post for these, but this is how these are made. Like I said, I glued the cowrie shells on, okay? And here you have it. So I wanted to come to you all to show you 5 different types of earrings that you can make using the Dollar Tree. All of these beads are right here. Just these came from the Dollar Tree. The brown small wooden ones, I got those in the case from, I believe it was Michael's, okay? So this is just some ideas that you all can add to your list of you making your own earrings. It just gives you something else to go by, some more ideas to open up your creativity, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much. And also I want to say thank you to my new supporters. And I want to say thank you to my loyal supporters, for those of you who always come and check me out. But if you are new and this is your very first time, and this may not even be your very first time, this may be your 10th or 11th or 12th time that you've come to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Because I'm going to be having some giveaways coming up. So subscribe to the channel, and you have to also be a public subscriber to the channel, because a lot of times when I make these pieces, I don't put these in my shop. Okay, I have a lot of pieces that I do make, but a lot of times I don't put these in my shop because sometimes I may not be able to make more than one. Sometimes they may be one single piece. Now, sometimes I do sell multiples of the jewelry and stuff that I do create, but I am going to be doing some upcoming giveaways. So in order for you to participate in that, you have to be subscribed to the channel. You also have to be a public subscriber, and I want to make sure that I interact with you all, okay? Write a comment, let me know who you are, let me get to know who you are, okay? And I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all's support. So with that being said, my beloved kings and queens, until my next upload, peace and blessings. See ya.